Okay, with this video, I'm going to add the driveway to the site plan, okay, to the property. And if you look at the site plan on D2L, there's a driveway here to the left, right? To the left, driveway. So here's what I'm going to do. Use my line tool. I'm going to draw a line here. Yep, so on green axis, and I'm just going to make that, I'm going to make that 8 feet. Good. And then I'm going to make another line like here on axis, on red axis. I'm going to make that 50 feet. Okay, let's do that again. Line tool. Oops, let me control Z out of that because I didn't make the line. Okay. All right, let's start over again. Line tool here on red axis. Make it 50 feet. There we go. Zoom out. Okay. Still some extension. Okay. So that's the edge of my driveway right there. Okay. Good. Now, I want to put a driveway width in that's going to be 20 feet so that 2 cars can park side by side. Okay. Pardon me. So I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to, on axis, I'm going to make this 20 feet. Good. Then I'm just going to extend this out here on axis. I'll just put 50 feet in again. It's no problem. Okay, then I'm going to connect these two. So now I got a face or a surface. Good. All right. I'm going to put here like a not a turnaround, but a backup area for this driveway so that I could kind of like pull in here. Okay. Okay, and then back up and then get to the driveway this way, okay? So I'm gonna put a little turnaround here. And if you look at the site plan, you kind of see it, okay? So I'm going to make that, I'm gonna make that length there. I'm gonna make it, let's make it 10 feet. Good. And then I'm gonna make it 10 feet wide on axis. Okay, so I have a surface there, good. All right, so here's my two car driveway, 20 feet wide, okay? 10 feet by 10 feet for my little turnaround. Okay, so I need to create an arc in here, right? So a radius. So I'm going to use a 5-foot radius. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go here, and with the measuring tool, I'm going to go 5 feet. Okay, and then from here on axis, hopefully that's on axis, yes, 5 feet. Good. So now I'm going to use the pi option. Okay. Right. So I'm going to place my center here. Okay. And my next point is going to be here. And I'm just going to create that pi just like that. Good. So that's my 5-foot radius. Okay. So now I can erase some lines that I don't need. Okay, I don't need this one, this one, not this one, nor, can I erase this one? Yep, okay, cool. So so now I have my 2 foot wide, my 20 foot wide, 2-car entrance. Yeah. You can use a single one if you want to. If you use a single one, we're going to still keep this to be, what did I make that, 8 inches, right? And then this width here for a single car needs to be at least 12 inches, okay? I mean 12 feet, okay? All right, and so then I would make this 12 feet, and I would still put in a 5-foot radius. But anyway, okay? So now what I want to do, I want to create the walkway from the driveway to the front porch here, okay? So I'm gonna come here. Okay. Let's do it this way. Good. And typically, sidewalks are 5 feet wide, 5 feet. So I'm gonna draw a line 5 feet on axis. Okay, and then I'm just gonna connect that to that edge there. And then I'm gonna do another line here. Okay. So I just created like a little, okay, but that doesn't seem right. Okay, so let me undo that last line. Okay, it's not on axis. Okay, let's see what's going on with that. Okay, that's better. I took it all the way through. That's better. Okay, so now. And just for my purposes, see, I want to create a connecting walkway to my deck in the back there. Okay, so how do I want to do it? Okay, I'm going to come here, line tool. This is just what I want to do. I mean, you don't have to do this. Then let's see if I can get in here. And it should be the same line here, okay? And I can keep this on axis. Let's see what's going to happen. And I can come here. Hopefully everything's going to be on axis. If not, I can change it. Okay. I'm on the stairs. And my stairs are 6 feet wide, so I'm just going to keep it 6 feet wide in this case, so it just matches up. Let's do a zoom extents here. I'm on red axis there. Cool. So I'm going to draw a line from here. Okay. Then I think if I extend this line here, I'll get a surface. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Extend that line through, I got a surface here. And I think all I have to do here is add a line right here, and I'll have a surface like, may not. Nope. So I think what I need to do is draw, yeah, because I started from here. So let's draw a line from here to here, and then to there. Okay, look, so I still don't have a surface there. So let's see what's going on with that. Okay, so let's try this again. I'm going to erase this line right here. Okay. And I'm going to draw a line from here. Let's see now if I draw a line from here, see if I get my surface back. Okay, so now I have that surface, okay? Good. Now the issue is I don't have this as a surface anymore. Let's see what's going on with it. Oh, I think I see why. Because I think I need to extend this line right here. Oh, that wasn't the issue. Okay, so let's erase these lines that I don't need here. Let's see if we can get a surface going here. This does an extension. And I just drew that line all the way through. Okay. Then I'm going to come over here. Good, now I got a surface. Good, so now I can erase this line here that I don't need. And I should be, well, I'm going to let that line stay there. And I'm going to erase this line right here. And then I'm going to erase this line right here. Okay, good. So I created my driveway, a little turnaround, my sidewalk here, okay, a path here, good. Save my drawing. Okay, and I'm just gonna, I'll come back next video and I'm going to add my grass, and I'm going to paint these surfaces here, but I'll do that next time. All right, so let's stop here.